The question we are solving now belongs to test series 5. It is of signals and systems subject. In specific, it belongs to LTI systems. As per the question, it is given that there is a system or there is a continuous time LTI system of impulse response h of t, and it is given that the input to the matched filter impulse response h of t is as shown in the figure. So its value ranges from 0 to 1 as time varies from 0 to 1, and between 1 and 2 the impulse response is a straight line as shown. At t equal to 1 it takes a value of 1, and at t equal to 2 it takes a value of -2. And similarly, between t equal to 2 and 3 we see that the impulse response varies between -1 and 1 as shown, and from 3 to 4, sorry, this is the input. From 3 to 4 the input is constant at 1. It is given that this input x of t is given to a continuous time system with matched filter impulse response h of t. We need to find the slope of h of t between 3 and 4. So from the given data we see that the input x of t is fed to a filter which has the matched impulse response as h of t. As the response is matched, we can say that h of t can be expressed as x of capital T minus t, where t is equal to, where capital T is equal to 4 seconds. So we see that h of t can be obtained from x of t by advancing x of t by 4, that is by t, then reflect the resultant signal out t is equal to 0. So upon doing the same, we see that the response can be drawn as shown in the figure. Between 0 and 1, h of t has the value of 1 as shown. Between 1 and 2, h of t varies between 1 and -1. Between 2 and 3, h of t varies between -1 and 1, and between 3 and 4, h of t varies between 1 and 0 as shown. So this is mainly obtained by advancing x of t by 4 seconds and reflecting the resultant signal around t equal to 0. Please note that we need to find the slope between 3 to 4 seconds. And we see that between 3 to 4 seconds, h of t is a straight line joining 3, 1 and 4, 0. From this data, we see that the slope can be written as 0 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 3, which is equal to -1. As h of t is the matched filter impulse response of h of x of t, we could get h of t from x of t, and from this we are able to find the slope between 3 and 4 seconds as -1. Hence the correct option representing the required quantity is C.